What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. We came across an old painting easel and we're going to convert it into a trellis for some peas. Come along and check this out. What I'm going to do now is just push it in, get it so it's nice and sturdy, and then plant my peas on each corner. So we actually had 4 sets of peas actually already planted, but these were the best looking 3. And here's another spectacular taproot. So all we're going to do is dig a nice little hole, squeeze the side of the container. Come on. There's that big taproot. I want to make sure that that taproot's pointed down because that's where it's trying to go to get the nutrients. I'm planning on watering these in to help get the air pockets out, get these roots settled back in nicely, and allow them to start going deep for the water. Thanks for coming along and checking out the video of us planting these peas out. I got a special one that I'm going to do. I think we're going to actually plant a little something right here in the center to actually utilize a little bit of this kind of a dead space or space that typically wouldn't be used. Make sure down in the comments you let me know what type of trellis system you use for your peas. Let me know how it works out for you. If you guys have any questions, don't forget, drop them down in the comments and I'll get right back to you. Thanks for coming along, everybody. Have a great day.